Alright folks, I guarantee you will see no other YouTube channel in which you will see a whiskey bottle sending an AM signal to an AM radio. You will only see that right here on Moonshine Radio. Here we go.
Hello YouTube, you are listening to AM Radio. The AM radio signal is transmitting out of the whiskey bottle you see next to the AM radio. A 12 kHz signal is coming out of the sound card and being mixed with an oscillator signal. This signal at 12 kHz is being mixed up to 1700 kHz. Have a good day and keep watching Moonshine Radio.
Well folks, this is what we're doing here. Out of this guy is a 12 kHz signal going into a mixer. This is the LO. Out of there is a signal, 1700 kHz, going up to the whiskey bottle. Alright, just to show you what we're talking about here, out of the sound card is a 12 kHz AM signal. It's going into a mixer. We're mixing it with a 1688 kHz oscillator, which is putting an AM signal up at 1700 kHz, as well as 1676 kilohertz. So that's all pretty cool. Here's the gory details. So out of the smartphone is a 3.4 millimeter plug. We're only picking the left channel, and we made a special file that has a 12 kilohertz AM signal. It's going into the mixer. Down here is a 1688 kilohertz oscillator. And we're using the ADE-1, or you can use the ADE-6 mixer here. I put it to a 20 dB pad just to get the matching good. And then that loop of wire is the whiskey bottle that you saw. And next to that was the AM radio tuned to 1700 kilohertz. So this is a simple little AM transmitter we made here on Moonshine Radio. And this is a good thing if you're testing AM radios, or maybe you want to feed some signal to an old vintage gear. Again, this is not an audio signal coming out of here. This is a 12 kilohertz AM signal that we made digitally, and we're simply mixing it up with this mixer. To make this 12 kilohertz AM signal, you can use GNU Radio, MATLAB, Python, whatever software you like. So we're making a digital AM signal in the computer, and we're simply using an analog mixer to mix up the 12 kilohertz up to 1700 kilohertz. Well, I hope you enjoyed it today. This has been a production of Moonshine Radio.
Hello YouTube, you are listening to AM Radio. The AM radio signal is transmitting out of the whiskey bottle you see next to the AM radio. A 12 kHz signal is coming out of the sound card and being mixed with an oscillator signal. This signal at 12 kHz is being mixed up to 1700 kHz. Have a good day and keep watching Moonshine Radio.